So hello guys, welcome back again IT Hub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get Snapchat public profile on iPhone and Android. So guys, lot of Snapchat users reported to in Snapchat account Snapchat public profile options not showing on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, how to fix this issue? So guys, in this video I will show you how to get Snapchat public profile. So guys, now open the Snapchat app in your iPhone and Android devices. Now you can see also left hand side profile icon. So guys, please tap on that. Now you can see also add to Snap Map options, but still not showing create public profile options in that options. Lot of users already done all the step but still not showing Snapchat public profile options in Snapchat account. So guys, now you can see also right hand side gear icon. So guys, please tap on that. Now scroll down and select the who can options. In who can options, all things are everyone's, but still not showing public profile on Snapchat in iPhone and Android. So guys, how to get Snapchat public profile options on Snapchat account with trick? So guys, please follow the step. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, first of all, open the any browser in your iPhone as well as Android devices. Now you can see also top corner search bar, search business.snapchat. So guys, search after you can see also second option is login Snapchat. So guys, please tap on that. Now you can see also this type interface show in your iPhone and Android. So guys, now please enter your username, email as well as password. So guys, now tap on the login icon. So guys, login after you can see also this type interface in your iPhone and Android. So guys, login after some time wait, then automatically open the page in your iPhone as well as Android devices. Now you can see also how to get Snap public profile options. So guys, first of all, tap on the Snap business icon. In business icon you can see also many features and also many options available in your Snapchat account. Now you can see also second last option is public profile. So guys, please tap on that. After you can see also this type interface show in your iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, scroll down and select the I already have a Snapchat account. So guys, please tap on that. So guys, select the I already Snapchat account. After automatically open the new page. In new page again enter your username and also password in your iPhone as well as Android devices. Now tap on the login. Login after you can see also your public profiles details. So guys, now you can add the bio as well as category, cities, state, also countries and also email ID and website name. So guys, now you can easily add all the details on Snapchat public profile options. Now scroll down and tap on the create profile. Create profile after you can see also automatically create your public profile in your Snapchat account. So guys, now again come back in home screens. Home screens after again find out the Snapchat app. Then open Snapchat after you can see also left hand side profile icon. So guys, please tap on that. Now you can see also congratulations, you have a creator account. So guys, you can easily get the Snapchat public profile options in that account. So guys, now again scroll down and tap on the public profile. In public profile you can see also now created already Snapchat public profiles in this account. So guys, you can easily get Snapchat public profile in your Snapchat account. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.